on that corner there, one table and two chairs. There's a couple that blankly stares. Could be you and me. The above angle shows this pair, slowly sipping mezcal they share. Lower angle it shows that they're not where they wanna be. Above their heads sounds a tune about some old devil moon that used to make them glow. Now it's lyrics and melody or bittersweet memories of love that they let go. It's all we'd never be like this. We played the way did their love go to game. We were sure that we'd never be like them. Now we're the same. Cue the rain. Next scene, the same couple walks, city streets spitting dagger talk, pointing fingers and placing fault. Could be you and me. On a split screen we watch her leave. Other side is in disbelief. As he crumbles down to his knees, she fades into unseen. Cut to him banging the door, asking why and what for, trying to understand how they lost their treasure found when he promised and she vowed to have and hold his hand. We swore we'd never be like this. We played the way that their love go to game. We were sure that we'd never be like them. Now we're the same. Cue the rain. Can we just rewind, reverse the film, back to a time when you and I were still in lush life, love and fine romance. Meet me under the street lamp. Give our love story one more dance. We swore we'd never be like this. We played the way did their love go to game. We were sure that we'd never be like them. Now we're the same. Cue the rain. Now we're the same. Cue the rain. Now we're the same. Cue the rain.